Well, Jordan, welcome to the Oval. What are your first thoughts on seeing the ground?
Delighted to be here, and yeah, what a place. Lovely day for it, but yeah, the work that's going on here is, you can see it's unreal, and the pitch itself, the way it's come on, and like you just said 2 weeks ago it was mud, and then the way it is now, it's just, yeah, credit to the club, and big times ahead.
Yeah, and just thinking about your past and where you've been playing recently, you've been with Telford for 4 years?
Yeah. Found myself having a good time with Telford in the National League North and Southern League Prem. Yeah, enjoyed my time there and become a favourite, and those memories I'll keep with me, but yeah, it's time to make some new ones.
And I hear that you had a certain nickname at that club. What is it?
Yeah, it was Mr. Telford,
Right.
like a fan's favourite, yeah. So kind of, I spend a lot of time with the fans, yeah. They pay to come and watch me ultimately, so I like to put my time back into them, and it's only a little conversation or saying hello, then that's all I can do, and yeah, hopefully I can be a fan's favourite come here.
Oh, brilliant. And what do you know about the club and the Welsh Premier League or the Cymru Premier League?
I know bits and bobs about the league, and like you say, the club, and I knew the club hadn't won the Welsh Cup for so many years, so it was I can imagine that's a massive achievement.
And you were in the final, weren't you?
Yeah, I came down. Me and the missus came down to Newport to watch. Great performance, some good goals, and yeah, great atmosphere.
Yeah, and what did you think of the Cofi army, the supporters on that day?
Yeah, unreal. We were in the thick of it, right at the front, so yeah, when they scored, you can almost get impaled on, so yeah, it's a great atmosphere, and hopefully that's can be happening every week.
And what did you think, what do you know of the Cymru Premier League?
Probably not as much as I should. It's not really, I do look at the results sometimes, and but it's not really a league I know much of. But all I know is that Caernarfon they're a good side and good club in this league, and there's big tests ahead. And then
obviously you must be looking forward to European football for the first time.
Yeah, that's one of the reasons why I came along. It's a different challenge, and it's a challenge that I'm certainly up for and can't wait for. Good to be in with the lads in the coming weeks and get to know everybody before we go to that first leg.
Excellent. So looking forward to the next season. What are your thoughts about, and what are your aims for next season?
I made my aims pretty clear from the start when I spoke to the manager, and I'm not here to just look at TNS and let them win the league. I'm here to compete, and yeah, certainly third and second, because I know the club finished fourth. There's teams ahead of us that I want to catch, and that's why I want to give my best and make it a real test for them to win it.
That's what we like to hear. And finally, you obviously know that you've come into Caernarfon for the last couple of weeks. So have you learned any Welsh?
I've not really, but I've got a panad it is.
Yeah, that's right.
Tea.
Yeah.
And Hudwin Hoffi Coffee.
Yeah, that's fine. That'll do us. Well, on behalf of everybody at the club, we're really pleased to have you here. Welcome here, and we look forward to seeing you in the yellow and green.
No, can't wait to get started. Cheers.